Hi, in this video I'll show you how to create and set up a learning path in AcademyOcean. Learning path helps you to combine multiple courses into a logical sequence and conveniently track a learner's progress. To get started, go to the Courses section and click the Create a Learning Path button. Enter the name of the path. You can also add a description and color theme. Create. On the editing page, you will see the main settings of the learning path. Here you can edit the name, add the description, and change color theme. The content within the learning path is divided into stages. Each path must contain at least one stage. Within a stage, you can set a name and description. Add courses using Add Content button. Here you can see the number of lessons and quizzes as published content. You can see the progression mode of each course, linear or non-linear, and you can publish or unpublish any courses in the stage here. Here you can also move courses with this functionality. Once you're ready, you can publish your learning path here. If needed, you can ungroup content or copy a direct link to the path. This page also displays the reward that a learner will receive after completing all stages. The reward is automatically taken from the settings of the last published course. When a learner opens the learning path, they see the title and description, overall completion percentage, as well as the visual map of the path with the current stage, the next course, and locked or unlocked blocks of upcoming content. In the course details, the learner can see information about the number of lessons and quizzes, the course description, completion percentage, and status, not started, in progress, or completed. You can view learning path progress statistics in the course progress report, and detailed information for each stage is available in the profile of the specific learner. To grant access to a learning path, go to the Teams section, open the desired team and its settings, and in the course block, select the required learning path and save the changes. After that, all learners in this team will get access to the selected path. By default, a learning path is linear. Learners complete stages in a set of order. Each course within the path can be configured as either linear or non-linear. A linear course requires completing lessons one by one, while a non-linear course allows the learner to access content in any order. If all courses in the path are set as non-linear, learners will be able to switch freely between courses after completing at least one content item. I hope that helped, and good luck with your academy.